it's Katie with Salty Pearl Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the herringbone half double crochet stitch. I am using my Furl Streamline metal hook and a ball of Knit Picks Brava tweed. I am so in love with this yarn. This is the wasabi colorway. So I've already worked up a swatch for you guys to see. This is 10 stitches wide and 6 rows tall right now. The herringbone half double crochet is much prettier in turned rows because it kind of has a little bit of a slant to it. So to get started, we are going to chain 1 and turn our work and yarn over. Then we're going to insert our hook into the stitch, and instead of just bringing up a loop, we're going to bring up a loop but then pull it through the first loop on your hook. Then there will be 2 left, yarn over and complete your stitch. So again, yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch and the first loop, then yarn over and complete your stitch. So when you pull up your loop, it's going to kind of be more like a slip stitch motion. When I learned that tip, it helps it feel a little bit more natural for me. So I like to twist my hook back a little bit on a slip stitch, and that helps it kind of slip through a little more. So I am rotating my hook a lot with my thumb there to catch that second loop. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull through the stitch and the first loop, and complete your stitch. There you have it. The stitch is so great for hats, scarves, so many awesome things. I hope you guys enjoy it.